Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade on Revolut X. Revolut makes it simple to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from its mobile application. Here's how you can get started. First thing first, open the Revolut mobile app and sign in with your account details. Navigate to the Crypto tab in the app. The layout may vary depending on your app version, but you'll always find crypto under the main menu. Now, browse the list of available assets and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and you'll see the current price and chart. Now, tap Buy to purchase or Sell to convert your crypto into fiat. Enter the amount either in your local currency or in selected cryptocurrency. Double-check all the details, purchase amount, total cost and fee if there's any. Once you're satisfied, hit confirm and your crypto will be bought or sold instantly and you'll see it reflected in your balance. Just an important note, trading crypto comes with risks. Prices can be volatile and may fluctuate rapidly. Always research before investing and only trade what you can afford to lose. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.